Using a screwdriver, remove the rear fender screw holding the passenger seat in place, set it aside for later use. Now push the hand strap forward, then lift the seat up and back to slide off the fender. Remove both thumb screws from the rear of the driver's seat. Then lift the seat off of the threaded studs and pull back from the frame. Now you can remove the hand strap as well. Install the thumb screws back on the threaded studs. This will keep the stud plate in place while not in use. Now, while holding the seat fairly level to the frame, engage the front bracket into the frame mount behind the gas tank. For the final step, align the rear bracket with the fender mount and reinstall the screw using a screwdriver. Now you can enjoy the comfort and custom look of your new Mustang seat.